Tutors and students on the Fusion Tutor platform have their own My Files area. For students, this is a place where they can create files and store them until they're ready to submit their work. For tutors, their My Files area is a place to store the tutor materials until they're ready to share them with their students. There's also a really useful link with other online cloud storage. I can go in here and reach into my OneDrive, browse through my OneDrive files, and add resources to the clipboard to drop into my class. Everything revolves around your groups. We have classes, which are formal tutor groups, which may simply have one student and their tutor, or it may be a group of students learning together. You can create any group of people you like on the system, and each group can share assignments, files, blogs, forums, and calendar appointments. You only see the information that's relevant to you and your groups. The content library allows tutors to guide the students easily towards the resources they'd like them to use elsewhere online. Tutors can also create bookmarks to other useful websites, and there's access to a whole range of YouTube channels. There's a YouTube browser. You can enter a search and browse YouTube videos live without having to visit YouTube. Then, like before, simply add your items to the clipboard and drop them into your class, ready to share with your students. You can also create forms and quizzes to gather information or to set self-marking quizzes for your student assessment. Fusion allows you to assemble a whole range of different types of materials in a simple, easy-to-access system. Any of these materials can be set for students as part of their tasks and assignments.